G+50 Digital Twin. In this module, we will transform our BIM model from a design and coordination platform into a operational information environment. We will connect MAP assess data with BMS to LOI and facility management information. Then use AI to analyze performance risk and energy. Finally, the facility manager uses these insights to make informed operational decisions. BIM information. Before connecting live operational data, we must first ensure that the BIM model is correctly structured, coordinated, and identified. Every important MEP asset should have sufficient information to support operation and maintenance. Is to convert BIM objects into operational assets. Each important MEP component should have a unique asset identity and structured information. This database becomes the bridge between BIM and facility management. The most important pieces of information in our digital twin. It provides a common identity for the same physical asset across BIM, BMS, LOT, and facility management system. Operational information from building system. Our objective is to associate each BMS point with the correct BM assist. They allow the digital twin to show not only where the asset exists but also what the asset is doing. Sensors provides real-time information from the physical building. When sensor information is linked to the correct BIM asset, the digital twin can provide both spatial context and operational intelligence. Not enough for facility management. We also need operational history, maintenance records, breakdowns, work orders, warranties, and inspection provide the historical context required to intelligent facility management. Validated digital twin information to identify patterns, anomalies, risks, and opportunities. However, AI should not independently control critical building decision. Its role is to support the facility manager and engineering team and evidence-based recommendation. The first intelligence layer is performance. By comparing current operation data with expected performance and historical trends, the digital twin can help identity equipment that is operating efficiency and equipment that require investigations. AI can compare current behavior with historical patterns and identify assets that may require attention. The objective is not simply to generate alarms but to prioritize the risks that matter most to building operations. The digital twin can combine building geometry, equipment information, and energy data to identify consumption patterns. AI can then highlight abnormal energy use and suggest areas of investigation or optimizations. AI identifies the issue and recommends an action. The facility manager and engineering team review the evidence, validate the recommendation, and initiate the appropriate maintenance or operational action. The resulting action is then recorded and monitored. G+50 Digital Twin architecture. We start with the BIM model, which provides the digital representation of the building. The BIM information is structured into the MEP asset database. BMS provides operational data. IoT provides sensor information, and FM system provides maintenance and operational history. These validated data sets are analyzed by AI to identify performance trends, risk, and energy opportunities. The final output is decision support for the facility manager and engineering team. The Nirgudwars, project management consultants, from beams and planning to project control and delivery. Have a project challenge? Let's solve it together. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.